Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margaon, Vasco and Prudent.
पहिल्याच पावसान पणजे स्मार्ट सिटीचे रस्ते व्हावले, रस्त्याचेर फोंडकुला. याचिकादारान हायकोर्टा मुखार फोटो दवरिले. 1200 कोटी सरकारान उदकांत घाले म्हण दावो. स्मार्ट सिटीच्या सबस्टँडर्ड काम करपी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचेर सरकार कितें कारवाय करता ते 14 ऑगस्टाक सरकारान कोर्टा मुखार सांगचे. कोर्टाची वर्थ. ताच्या पयलीं रस्त्याचेर आशिल्ले डेब्रीज आनी हेर आडमेळी करपी सगळ्यो गजाली रस्त्यावेल्यान काडपाचे. याचिकादारान पणजे 250 कोटीचे 250 सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरा घाल्यात म्हूण मिडिया रिपोर्ट दिलो. कॅमेऱ्यांची स्थिती व्हेरीफाय करची म्हूण कोर्टान याचिकादाराक सांगला.
During hearing on Thursday before the High Court in the matters related with the public interest litigations related with the Smart City work of Panjim, the petitioners mentioned that the Smart City work is incomplete, deficient and it is of substandard. The petitioner mentioned that like the stretches of Mala and Bhatlem and in the Rai Bandar, the roads are so depleted condition that it is dangerous for the road users. The High Court has asked the government to reply on next date of hearing that whether it is going to take any action against the contractor. The High Court has also asked the government to submit a report that when this work is going to be completed. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.